Hi everyone! So, paano tayo mag-fill up sa Kaiser Long-Term Care natin? Pwede po ito for 10 years old to 60 years old and 6 months. So, 3-in-1 siya. Meron siya healthcare, life insurance, and investment. Ayan, ito siya basically. So, since meron tayong mga problema sa buhay natin, number one is, what if I die too soon? Who will take care of my family? So, meron po siyang life insurance or instant money. And then, what if I got sick? Who will take care of me? May healthcare benefit din po siya. And lastly, what if I live too long? Who will take care of me? So, solution, investment, money working for you. So, yun nga yung three major financial needs natin bilang breadwinner. So, life insurance, income replacement to protect your family if you die too soon. Then, healthcare to provide your healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. And at the same time, investment, long-term care to generate continuing income for you when you retire. So, moving on, paano tayo mag-fill up dun sa Kaiser na long-term application natin? So, just fill in the details here. Correct details. First name, middle name na spell out complete kumbaga. So, for demo purposes, gaganyan ko muna siya. Enter your birthday. Tapos, click nyo po itong create code na button. Yan. So, ayan, nandito na siya yung mga benefit. So, by default po, K100 or 5882 per month yung naka-default dito. Yan. So, let's say for example, gusto mo ng higher plan. Let's say, kaya mo naman ng higher plan talaga. And let's say, for example, for demo purposes, gusto mo ng around K200. So, for that case po, K150 above, meron na siyang FME na tinatawag, full medical exam. So, may specific na list po yun na requirement para ma-comply natin. So, let's say, K200, then click nyo po itong compute code. Yan. Para yung plan name nito versus the Kaiser plan is mag-sync siya. Dito na K200. Then from here, so kung annual po yung mode of payment po natin, discounted po siya ng 2 months. For semi-annual, less than 1 month. Quarterly, around 300 pesos. And just to note, no, meron na din po tayong 500 pesos policy fee per year. Na as noted naman siya dito. Okay? 500 per year. Let's say, annual. So, click mo lang yung choose na button from here. Depende dun sa preferred na mode of payment mo. So, for demo purposes, click ko ito, choose. Then, click nyo po itong complete client application now. From there, so, hihingin po kayo ng mga basic details nyo. Height, weight, place of birth, nationality, etc. Yan. After nito, yan, tapusin na natin. Para at least makita nyo kung ano yung susunod dito na magpapakita, kumbaga. So, for this case, November 11, 1977. Yan, make sure lang na tama po yung mga details na ilalagay po natin dito. For demo purposes or illustration purposes, gaganyan ko muna. Pero dapat tama po lahat yung details niyo po. Okay? And then, if OFW ka, so, or seaman, click mo lang yung specific country. Pero kung nasa Pinas ka, no need to select any of this option, yung port of entry. Save muna natin. Resume later. Para mag-save yung mga entries po natin. And scroll down, click next. Tapos beneficiary. So, pwede kang maglagay until 4. Yan. Tapos, resume later para ma-save yung mga changes mo. Then, click next. Ito naman yung health declaration, basically. So, kung wala ka namang sakit for the past 5 years, medical conditions, ino-know mo lang siya. Otherwise, if meron, so, magpro-provide ka ng medical certificate or requirements. Depende dun sa ibibigay sa'yo. Kumbaga, yan. Resume later go for now. Then, next. Tapos, click mo itong I authorize to furnish medical information. Yan. Yung checkbox. Resume later ko muna para mag-sync. Tapos, submit. Yan. Tapos, e-signature ka na, gaganyan mo siya. Tapos, yung full name mo. Then, after that, click natin yung I accept the terms of this payment. Ganun po siya. Tapos, magsasend na po siya ng email for the payment. Okay? Tapos, pwede rin po kayong mag-contact dun sa agent or sponsor nyo po for assistance, kumbaga how to pay, ganun.